Hello. In this video I will be reviewing the buy-sell pressure indicator NinjaTrader on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays a chart of buying power and selling power, where the blue line represents buying power and the red line represents selling power. When the buying power line is above the selling power line, like in this situation, it indicates that we are in an upward trend and the buying power is.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Is greater than the selling power. Conversely, when the selling power line is above the buying power line, it indicates that the selling power is greater and we are in a downward trend. We can use this indicator in such a way that when the red line crosses above the blue line, we enter a sell trade, and with the next crossover we exit the trade. Okay? Conversely, when the blue line crosses above the red line, we enter a buy trade, right? And with the next crossover we exit the trade. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The only option available in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this value, the smoother the lines will be and we will have fewer crossovers. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.